In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your scheduling with Zapier and Calendly. If you're still copying Calendly appointments into spreadsheets, sending your own confirmation emails, or pinging your team by hand, this tutorial will save you a ton of time. By the end, you'll know how to make Zapier log your bookings, notify your team, and even create follow-up tasks automatically, all without extra clicks. First, a quick foundation so everything makes sense. Zapier is an online automation tool that lets your apps talk to each other. These automations are called zaps, and every zap has two parts: a trigger, which answers "when should this run?" and one or more actions, which answer "what should happen next?" With Calendly, great triggers include invitee, created for new bookings, and invitee canceled for cancellations. The moment that event fires, Zapier kicks off the workflow. Let's build one together. Head to the Zapier website and sign in. Click Create and choose Zap to open the builder. In the Trigger field, search for Calendly and select it. Pick your trigger event. Invitee created is perfect if you want to track new meetings, and continue. Zapier will prompt you to connect your Calendly account. Log in, approve access, and make sure you're linking the correct workspace. After connecting, click Test Trigger. Zapier will pull a recent appointment as sample data, which helps you preview and map fields accurately. Now, let's decide what happens next. Click the plus icon to add an action. Search for Google Sheets and select it, then choose Create Spreadsheet Row. Continue and connect your Google account, approve access, and select the spreadsheet and worksheet where you want the details to land. Tip: set up clear column headers in advance, like name, email, event type, date, and time, to keep everything clean. Zapier will display your columns so you can map data from Calendly. For name, choose the invitee's name from the trigger data. For email, choose the invitee's email. For event type, pick the meeting type. For date and time, choose the scheduled date and time fields. This mapping tells Zapier exactly where each piece of information should go. Click Continue, then Test. Zapier will create a real row in your sheet using the sample booking. Open the sheet and confirm everything looks correct. If something's off, adjust the mappings and retest. When you're happy, click Publish and turn your Zap on. From now on, every time someone schedules or cancels a meeting in Calendly, Zapier will automatically run your chosen actions. Here's a practical example. Say you run a consulting business. Each new booking can instantly add a row in Google Sheets for tracking, send a Slack notification to your team, email a confirmation through Gmail, and create a follow-up task in Notion or Asana. You can also update your CRM, send reminders or thank you emails, track cancellations for analytics, and power a live dashboard, all running quietly in the background while you focus on your meetings.